welcome back to my channel. Today's video I have my BoxyCharm boxes here for the month of June 2021. But before we get into this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a video, as well as follow me on Instagram and Facebook at DSoto Beauty Subscription. Alright guys, I have two boxes here from BoxyCharm. Now for this month in June, I am not receiving the Boxy what is it called, the BoxyCharm base box, because I am getting the Boxy Luxe and I still am getting the Boxy Premium. But here I have two boxes. I don't know which is which, so of course I'm going to do two separate videos. We're just going to go ahead and open one of these boxes and find out which is this box. You probably already know which one is this box when I put the title down below. Alright, so let's get into this. If you don't know what BoxyCharm is a monthly beauty subscription. There is a base box, the premium, and the luxe. Now the base box is $25 a month and monthly, and you get 5 full-size products, and you get to choose one of the products out of that box. And then every 3 months there is the Boxy Luxe, which is $50 a month, and that one replaces your base box, and that you get 8 full-size products, and you get to choose 3 of the products out of that box as well. Now in that box it is more lifestyles as well. There is going to be beauty and other products. Now the BoxyCharm Premium, it is a $35 monthly box, and that one it is 6 full-size products, and you get to choose 2 of the products out of that box, and of course Boxy chooses the rest for you. And that is it. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and open this box because it is very, very heavy, and this one is light. So like this box is heavy and this one's light. But we're going to go ahead and open this one and see which one is this box for this month. Alright, here we go. Let me get my scissors here and go ahead and open this box. Alright, so here it is. That's the red box. Red box usually means base box. So, okay, wait. Which one are you? So here is BoxyCharm, and this month is Dare to Dazzle. Don't like this card at all. And let's see, this is 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. So this is my Luxe box. No wonder it's very heavy, but they put it in this in a base box. And I'm getting a whiff of something. It is very powerful. It is hitting my face right now. So let's get into this and see what I got. Now, the first thing I got here is the Luxe Floral Brush Set. This sear into the summer with a new brush set featuring 4 new brushes, a sponge, a pouch, which includes the 219 eyeliner brush, a 205 taper blending brush, a 213 eyeshadow brush, a 211 concealer brush, a detail blending sponge, and a pastel purple pouch. This retails for $40, and it is a Boxy exclusive, and I believe this was my choice item, I want to say. So here it is. It says Luxy in here. I do have one of these pouches, but I think mine is in black, and I think I have the red one too as well from December. So, oh my god, these are super cute. Look at the colors. I love these colors. So here it is. You get a little sponge. Let's open it to see how it feels. Man, there is something in my box that smells very floral. Oh, it's a little squish there, but a little water will do it good. It's very nice and soft. And then we got 4 of the other brushes. They look really nice. I love the color. It's really, really cute. So that is what I got here. And I know Luxy is a very pricey brush company, like makeup brush company, but they are well worth it basically. Okay, so the next thing I got here, what is this? Now this is not what I chose. This is the AMNH Skincare Starry Collagen Gel Eye Pads. This Collagen Gel Eye Pads to reduce wrinkles and dark circles. It retails for $32. So, didn't I get, yeah, last month I got something from BoxyCharm, that Dragon Blood eye patches too as well. So, I keep getting eye patches. I mean, like, they're trying to tell me something? I'm telling you guys, like, constantly always getting products like this. So at least this one comes with 5 pairs. I don't remember how much the other one. Oh, we only got 3 pairs from the other one. And basically they're in a, oh, look at that. They have like little stars on them. So I'm wondering if that's going to be like when you put them on the eye patch, but that's what it looks like. So like I said, you get 6 of these. So yeah, all right, nice. All right, let's move on. The next thing I chose here is, oh no, I think Ipsy chose this for me probably. Did they? I can't remember, guys. I don't remember. This is the Element Superfood AHA Glowing Cleansing Butter. I think I chose this one. This melt away makeup and daily impurities while leaving skin looking healthy, fresh, and glowy with the butter. A buttery brightening cleanser. A unique blend of fermented pumpkin enzyme, and there's a cherry rich in AHAs, helps to brighten skin, while mango butter and chia seed oil nourish and hydrates the skin. This is a new launch and it is $38. And the reason I think I know I chose this is because if there's an Elements product, I am definitely picking these products out. Oh my god, it's like all like on one side. But here it is. This is what it looks like. Can you see like the product all up there on one side? Because it was kind of tilted like this. But I'm excited to try this. I love Elements products. I've used their, I think it's the Superfood facials, like cleansing, like for the face washes and stuff like that, and I love the product. It has a funny smell to it, but then like once you use it, you get used to it, and all of a sudden it smells delicious. But I'm not mad at this product, so I'm excited to try that out. All right, let's move on. The next thing I see here, I feel like I gotten this product before, from Ipsy. This is the Pure Heals Real Rose Petal Sleeping Mask. The sleeping mask contains real rose petals and rose water to moisturize and rejuvenate your dry and stressed skin while sleeping. When rolling it on the skin, it delivers rose vital moisturizing energy to the skin with the melting technology of rose petal. This retails for $55. I have gotten a couple of products from Pure Heals from BoxyCharm, and I believe from Ipsy. Oops, I almost dropped this. So this is what it looks like. This looks like like not the same container, but another product that I have gotten from Pure Heals, and it does come with a scoop here, and I don't know if I can find it so I can show you what I'm talking about. I know I have something similar to this, but it's like in a white bottle, I want to say, or a bigger bottle. I can't remember, but this is what it looks like. I'm still trying to look. Okay, so that looks nice. All right, another skincare product. So far we got 3 products that has to do with the skin, and my carpal tunnel, and you know my hand's starting to cramp up right now, and I forgot to put the wrist, like the tape on my hand, so it's starting to hurt. All right, so the next thing I hear is this, and it's starting to pop open. This is the Lifestyle Co. Purifying Sage Mist. Refresh your home with this sage in a bottle. It adds in boosting your immune system, improves moods, and cleanse your home. This retails for $49. This is my 3rd item. This is the 3rd item I chose. It's a purifying sage, so I can sage my home, and it has a lavender, like with lavender. So I don't know if I could really smell it, but Now I'm starting to smell it. Okay, so that's what I chose. I mean, it's a lifestyle thing, you know, for your home. So this is, at least it's not another skincare product. It's like for your house, you know. So I'm excited to just go ahead and sage my house. All right. Okay, so then the next product that I received here, I'm trying to find out what is that scent. It wasn't that one. So here is this. This is the what are you? The Aromatherapy Associating Revival Body Gel. Enjoy the natural exhalating properties with the Revival Body Gel for skin that feels refreshing and smooth. High concentrated of the finest essential oil of juniper berry, essential, delicious, invigorating grapefruit, and stimulating rosemary helps promote uneven skin texture and boosts energy. This retails for $46. So this is a body gel. You know what? I think it was that Purifying sage. Oh my god. I can't open this, but this is a full-size product. It is something for the body. It's a body gel. So, got something for the body, got something for the house, got three skincare products so far. All right, the next thing, 4 skincare product. This is the Dr. Brandt Triple Antioxidant Face Cream. This antioxidant-rich moisturizing provides skin with 12 hours of protection from damage-free radicals and external aggressor. It's formulated with the rejuvenating A3 power, a dynamic shield booster with antioxidants, anti-stress ingredients that help preserve a youthful appearance. This is a new launch and it retails for $64. It says hashtag I say I love you with pride. So that's probably for Pride Month. And again, this is a new launch and this is what it looks like. I do like Dr. Brandt products. They're very expensive, but they are really great for the skin. So I have a face cream here. Okay, now the last product here is a NARS product. This is the NARS Blush. This cult favorite best-selling blush delivers a weightless natural look, rush of colored cheeks in matte satin and shimmery finish. This retails for $30 and this one is an Orgasm. I do not have this shade. This is a fan favorite. People always buy this one and I'm excited to try it out. I do have one of their blushes. I can't remember the color that I have. I have it in my purse, I believe. So this is very pretty, so I can't wait to try it. Alright guys, that is everything that I got in my June 2021 Luxe box. So I don't know what to say about this box. There seems to be a lot of, again, skincare heavy products in here. We got a face cream, a sleeping mask, eye patches, a cleansing powder. I mean, they're all different things. They do all different things. But I would still, sorry about that, I would still love to see like more makeup. Like I got a makeup tool and just a blush. And then we got a body cream and then something for the house. I mean, I would love to see the another palette in here. You know, an eyeshadow palette or I don't know, something that's gonna be like, yes, this is the box. So again, you know, it is what it is. You know, I don't know what to say about Luxe anymore. They have been going downhill, and then I see that the base box, they get better products every time Luxe comes around. So I don't know. Anywho, that's everything that I got in my BoxyCharm base box. I mean BoxyCharm Luxe box. Please let me know down below what did you think for the month of June. As always, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, as well as follow me on Instagram and Facebook at DSoto Beauty Subscription. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and always stay healthy, stay safe, and I will see you all on the next one. Bye! Mwah.